Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 2, that is numbers up to 1000, and today's topic is before, after and in between. In the previous chapter we have learned how to write numbers before, after and in between. So let's revise again. So what do you mean by before, what do you mean by after, and what do you mean by in between? So let's understand with the help of this example. So see this: ball, fish, rate. Ball, fish and rate. So where is this ball? This ball is placed before fish. Before fish. This ball is before fish. Yes or no? This ball is before fish means in front of the fish. That means before fish. And this rate is after fish means next to the fish. That means after. So this rate is after fish. This rate is after fish, and this fish is in between ball and rate. Means this fish is in the middle of these two things, ball and rate, and this ball is before fish means पहले. Before fish means fish से पहले. What is that? Ball. And after fish, what is that? That is rate. यानी fish के बाद, that is rate. And middle यानी बीच में ball and rate. What is that? In the between, that is fish. Clear? Okay. So now let's take an example with numbers. Before after, in between. So 7. What is before 7? 7 से पहले, that is 6. Means we have to subtract 1 here to get this number. 27. Before 27, what number is there? What? 26. Yes. Means we have to subtract from 1 from here. Means from 1's place. $276. So see this 6. What is before 6? 275. Clear? Before 76, what is there? What is that? That is 275. Means we have to subtract 1 to get the before number. And in after number, what is this? This is 8. What is the next number after 8? That is 9. Means we are doing plus 1. And 62. What is after 62? Yes, 63. That means we are adding 1 here to get after number. 624. What is after 24? 625. Means to get after number we have to do plus 1, and to get before number we have to do minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now let's write in the middle. So 2 dash 4. What is in the middle? What is in between 2 and 4? 2, 3, 4. Yes. 3. So means if we will add here 1, we will get this number. If we will subtract here, we will get this number. So add 1 here and subtract 1, you will get this number. So 28, 30. What will be the next number? Yes, 29. If you will add 1 here, you will get this number. Or if you will subtract 1 here, you will get this number. Clear? Okay. Now 642. What is in the middle? 643. Yes. So now 91. 292, 293. That is C, the number in the between. Clear about this? Okay. So before means -1, after means +1, and in between means in the middle. Clear everyone? So let's start our exercise 2F. Question number 1, we have to write the number just after. Means what we have to do? +1. 135, then 136. The next number. Then number B, 623. What is the next number? 624. Then number C, 468. Clear? So question number 2, just before, means we have to subtract 1 from here. So 275. What is before 75? 274. Then number B, 498. What is before 498? 497. Then what is before 614? 613. Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. Number A. We have to write in between 34 and 36. What is there in between? 235. Then 1 and 3. See the ones place number 1 and 3. So what we have to do? 722 in between. Number C, 946, 948. So what is there? 947. Clear? And here 2 dashes are there. 69. Then 670. Then 671. Done? Okay. Do practice. Thank you everyone.